Hey everyone, it's Dr. Kelly. I just wanted to go over a new site that I found. I was looking for a way to find the 7-day change in a coin as opposed to the 24 hour, simply the 24-hour change, because when we are on CoinMarketCap, we have this right here. We just have the 24-hour change, and I was wondering if there was a way to, find out if we can look at the 7-day change, because when you click this, it just changes it around to make it the highest to lowest, as opposed to actually being able to manipulate this and change it from 24 to a week. So I found this other site, and it's called CoinCodex, and I like it because I can come right here and click on that, and then I can find the weekly change, and then I can just kind of get an idea. Of course, we know this week was a challenging week, we know that, but I just kind of wanted to get an idea of what really hit low, but also what did amazing. So you have something like this that did amazing, and then this is a way for me to find new coins to investigate and kind of research and see if it's something I want to check out. So basically, I'm just going to right click there, open that up, and then I have this to check out to see what this coin is about. Oh, and another thing I wanted to show you was that the site also has different tutorials. So that's cool for people who are trying to learn something new or do something new that they haven't done before. I'm sure everybody knows how to buy on Litecoin on Binance, but in case you don't, there's videos on how to do that. So I thought that would be good to point out as well, different tutorials that they do have. But back to the site. So I'm going to go ahead and just do some more research on this. You have a coin like this that did basically, from what the feeling I'm getting and the research I'm doing, they're trying to say that it was basically a pump and dump with Bitcoin, because they opened it up on Binance, I think it was Monday or Tuesday, and the coin shot up like really, really high. And so some people supposedly were able to transfer coins from another exchange into Binance and take advantage of that arbitrage. And however, I found out that some people's accounts were locked, so they stopped them from depositing more. They stopped them from doing anything where they could take advantage of that arbitrage. So anyway, but that's why I know this particular one, because we discussed this in our group. So I'm just kind of going through and just doing a little bit more. Zilliqa, I'm glad to see that. That's cool, because I got some of those. And let's see anything else that pops out at me. Rep. Okay, I haven't seen this one, so I'll have to do some more research on. Where to go? Have to do some research on that. It keeps moving. So anyway, I had to do some research on Rep and get an idea of what that coin is, since it did a great job during this whole week, and see what that's all about. And anything else I want to check. Oh, a lot of people were talking about this one. I need to do some research to see what this is all about. See if it was hype or see if it was real. I see it's less than a penny. Maybe something worth to put, 50 bucks, 100 bucks into, but I need to figure out and do my research first. So anyway, I just wanted to share this new resource with you. Check it out if you want to be able to investigate coins on different levels, different time frames. So that will be something to check out. I like the fact that they have that. That's really cool. And then of course, if you want to, you can add something to your watch list. The other thing I like is you can isolate and see specific coins that have that in there and find what you're looking for. If you're also looking for BC, you can find something like that. DC, same thing. So yeah. All right. So that's it for today. You guys take care. Have a good one. Bye bye now.